So, at individuality, so, sumiringan ito, di ba, is mga wala ka katulad, ang may ang mga unique design na pagkain, wala ka kapalitan. Di ba, para sa DNA na nakukuha sa mga kuhan, any crime scene, sa dire man ikaw yung kuhanan, ini dire ini masusuga ba, ang mga physical characteristics na mga evidence. Evidence can be positively identified as having come from a specific source of a person of sufficient identifying characteristics or sufficient microscopic or accidental markings are present. Example of such evidence include fingerprints, handwriting, bullets, tool marks, shoe prints, pieces of glass where the broken edges can be matched, and wood that broken surface can be matched, and wood where broken cut surface can be matched. So, maaarang naman kami ito, di ba? Balag pa naman lang niya, and self-explanatory. Class characteristic. Evidence that can only be identified by placing it into a particular class regardless of the amount of trueness of examination is known as evidence with only class characteristic. So, ang class characteristic and bagal, di ba pag nakakakulik ng mga evidences sa crime scene is ginlalain-lain na ito niya. Bagal, kung suga dito ang mga tool na nakukuha ka na, ibukan na ito niya bagal din. Ang bagang ginlalain-lain na, tapos bagal din. Ang kanya ang din. Diri ang din. Bukan niya kung hay na bukan din. Oo, may label na. Record. Example of evidence with multi-class characteristic where the microscopic or accidental markings are insufficient or positive identification include blood, tear fibers, shoe prints, tool marks, or bullets. Class characteristics of an item therefore allow it to be screened before or a more detailed comparison is made between it and another object to determine individual characteristics that may later lead to the establishment of specific identity. It is desirable to have evidence that can be positively identified but have the value of evidence with class characteristic only should not be minimized. So, one, a preponderance of such evidence. One, kuanan na niya ba, ang high na niya na kung ang makakuha ka evidence, ang makuha na ito, ang mapungat na evidence na yung makukuha. Asa na ito. A preponderance of class characteristic with a single item of evidence such as paint with many layers, all matching or soil with foreign matter such as paint strips. 3. Elimination specimens such as soil for where a suspect claims he, she, or a car was or other materials from a source mentioned in an Taliban. Probability that a combination of independent events will occur is the product of individual probabilities. Thus, the probability of association with a particular situation is very high when a number of separate factors are found to correspond to the presence of matching fibers. Here, blood, shoe prints, or tool marks may indicate an extremely of involvement even to non-obvious structure is himself solving. The importance of mathematical probability to the quality of physical evidence is readily apparent if we consider the use of fingerprints to establish positive identifications of a suspect. We could prove that in the whole population of the world, the probability is that no two individuals have the same fingerprint. Most people, including knowledgeable fingerprint examiners, are not aware of it. The strongest basis for the acceptance of fingerprint uniqueness rests on mathematical probability. So probability is as di ba parang kan mag-3 na nalang kongetan ko may solving and math na sa fingerprint ano siya na ito na and then bisan ka curious may naman fingerprint pero may naman ko iba-iba